Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is like an 09 Dodge Journey. Now, I was about to get on the test drive to see if I can duplicate this concern. Suspension noise while driving, axle noise. I don't know how anybody would know it's axle noise, but I've heard the axles have been replaced. But as you're rolling, you can hear noise in the suspension. And guys, there's no need for me to test drive this. I heard this just by coming up this far. So what I'm about to do is simply make a detour and go get this thing put up in the air. Let me see. Oh, y'all hear that? Oh, yes, that is bad. All right, guys, let me get this thing in the shop, in the air, so we can find out exactly what that noise is. Axle, brand new axles. What does that mean? I don't know, guys. We're about to find out. Y'all stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alrighty, guys. I hear a bunch of clicking foolishness going on this side. Oh no. What the hell? Y'all see that? The freaking... Who just did a brake? These are new brake pads. Yep, she declined. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Those are brand new brake pads, guys. Somebody did a brake job on this thing. Look at this, guys. Holy crap, no freaking caliber bolts. Are you kidding me? That's what was making that noise. Oh, I'm about to go. Yep, new axles. Holy crap. That's dangerous. That's good. This is the one that ain't scratching up against this wheel. All right. Let me go tell these folks. I cannot believe this. Look at that. Brand new brake pads were just installed. What a freaking idiot. I'm gonna call it like I see it, guys. That is dangerous, reckless, and idiotic. I don't know who takes the boat. Well, I guess you gotta take it all the way out, but how do you not see the boat sitting on your table when you, unless you fingers? Yeah, I'm guilty of that, so let me be careful what I say. You know how you take the boat's finger tight and you're supposed to remember to come back and get it, and you don't. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, I'm shocked. Hold tight, guys. I gotta go talk to somebody. Let me check the rear. Did they do the front and the rear? And on top of that, looked like they just pad swapped it. So they gave this, that's not a brand new rotor, and that rotor doesn't look like it's been resurfaced or resurfaced. So this is called a pad swap. Pad swap. All right, guys, I'm back. So, all right, guys, hold tight. It's obvious they can't get a hold of the customer, but it's obvious what happened. She went and paid a hustler to do a brake job, and he just pad slapped it and forgot to put the caliper bolts on. Okay, because this car was just here. In fact, these are dealer axles and ball joints, tie rod ends, all this stuff was put on. I think her warranty only covered that, but her warranty wouldn't cover the brake pad, so she chose to not pay to get that done. Chose to get that somewhere else done for probably 50 bucks, who knows. And it would have been a success had they not been reckless. Now they told me to put it outside, get it out, okay? But it's dangerous to even do that, guys. This could come off. I'm gonna do what I'm told, but I'm against it. I'm against driving it any farther now. Just imagine, I was just about to get on the road and test drive this thing. So, yeah, these are brand new brake pads. They're not our brake pads. It was just pad slap. All right, I gotta do what I'm told. So, there you have it, guys. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.